Buy Kitt Refreshing Hand Sanitizer Gel at cheap and discounted price from link in the description. This hand sanitizer is the perfect solution for hand hygiene at home, the office, or while you travel. It stops the transition of dirty stuff and cleanses your skin, which kills more than 99.99% of germs. Perfect for frequent use. Mild formula is free of parabens, phthalate, preservatives and harsh ingredients, so it does not dry out or irritate skin. Hands feel soft, even after many uses. 300 ml super large capacity hand sanitizer for household use, can be packed in a separate container and then packed into a backpack for easy carrying. With this no-rinse hand sanitizer, you don't need to wash your hands at all, and you can use it on the go. Better yet, it won't leave a sticky or tacky residue like other hand sanitizers. None of the nasty chemicals you find in conventional hand sanitizers, but just as effective, protecting you from harmful. It also leaves them feeling soft and smooth.